There was no correlation between drug use and cure rates. Passed, students were required to complete 2 long written assignments.
Cats are incredibly intelligent creatures, but nowhere near as friendly and affectionate as dogs.
I'll start with a brief history of the district and then focus on life in the first half of the 20th century. Modern buildings have to achieve certain performance requirements. Our capacity to respond to national needs will determine our ability to flourish. The undergraduate students are teaching with a rigorous course in our psychology department. Students can get access to computers on a daily basis. The university supplies a number of scholarships for qualified students. Anonymous behaviors can be identified without intervention. We will study the following 2 pictures in the next lecture. Exam results will be available next week on course website. In marketing, short-term thinking leads to many problems. Essays with few or no citations will be regarded as invalid. Make sure the financial director knows the full details of the pay agreement. Being a vegan means not consuming any animal meat. Environmental friendliness is a new category in which campuses are competing. She is an expert of the 18th century French literature. History is not a simple collection of dates and events. I don't understand what the comment of my essay means. The United States has the maximum production of chocolate. You should include your name and identification number on the registration form. We must put great care when analyzing the data. I will be in my office every day from 10 to 12. It's important to keep this medicine in the fridge. Please explain what the author means by sustainability. Hypothetically, insufficient mastery in the area slows future progress. Please sort and order the slides of the presentation according to topic and speech time. You can download all lecture handouts from the course website. No crop responds more readily than careful husbandry and skillful cultivation. The gap between the rich and the poor was not decreased rapidly as expected. The U.S. ranks 22nd in foreign aid, given it as a percentage of GDP. In Europe, the political pressure is similar regarding globalization.
Students should take advantages of the online resources before attending the lecture. Try to explain how your ideas are linked so that there is a logical flow.
Please prepare a PowerPoint presentation for tomorrow's meeting. On this project, you will be asked to work as a group of 3. You should raise your concern with the head of school. The maximum production of chocolate is in the US.